Alright, so what we have right here is a one-step equation. So first we're going to circle our x because we want to get that by itself. So we're going to do 6 divided by 2, which equals 3, as we all know, simple math. And then once we have 3, that's pretty much our answer. X equals 3. So how we're going to check that is we're going to do 3 times 2. And there you go, we get 6. So x equals 3. Okay, so what we have right here is a one-step equation with fractions. So you might be scared because I know it's fractions, but actually it is super, super easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to circle our x, bring that away from everything, and then we're going to bring that right. So instead of multiplication, we are going to do the additive inverse of that and do multiplication. So we're going to do 6 over 1 divided by 2 over 3. So we are going to do KCR because we have to, and do 6 over 1 times 3 over 2. So we are just going to multiply this, and then we would get 18 over 2. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. So x equals 9. That is our answer. And then to check it, we are going to do 9 over 1 times 2 over 3. And then, so we're going to do, just multiply across, we would get 18, and then we would get 3, and then which will equal 6. Yep, x equals 9 is our answer. So this right here is an example of a two-step equation. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to circle the 2, and then bring the 2 over here, and then subtract it because it is addition. So we're going to do the additive inverse, and we're going to get 4. So we're going to do 4 divided by 2. You always want to do that with a two-step equation. Always divide or multiply with that the number is connected with x. Always do that. So we will get 2. And then that is pretty much our answer. So we would do, if we were to replace it right there, we would do 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, so what we have right here is a two-step equation with fractions. So it's no harder than the other ones. It's just a little bit more tricky because you need to do more stuff. So first, we are going to get a pen, circle our 2 like we did last time, and subtract the 2 since it is addition. Then that would go to 4. So then, as we all know, we must do division. So we would have 4 divided by 2 slash 3. So we're going to do 4 over 1 divided by 2 over 3. And then, so we're going to erase all this. This is base. And then, so we will have, alright, we're going to do KCR 4 over 1 times 3 over 2. And we're going to multiply across and we'll have 12 over 2. So x equals 6 because 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And yep, that is how we find our answer for a two-step equation with fractions. Adios.
Today we will be doing multiple step equations. So let's start. First, let's distributive property n. 3 times 2x equals 6x, and 3 times 2 equals 6. So next, let's distribute the 6 and put it together, put both sides. Since it's plus 6x plus 6, the 6 becomes a negative. Next, let's subtract since it's a battle. And we get 30. The reason why it's not negative is because 36 is bigger than 6. Next, these two cancel each other out, and 6x comes down here. Now, we divide 6 by 6 and 30 by 6. These two cancel each other out, and it becomes x. 30 divided by 6 is 5. And you get your answer. Today we will be doing complex multiple step equations. First, let's do the distributive property. So, 2 times 2x, 4x. 2 times 3, positive 6. Next, negative 1 times x, negative 1x. Negative 1 times 4, negative 4. Next, we circle the variables. 4x plus 1. It's battle, since they're both negative. Since one is positive and one is negative. So this becomes 3x positive. Now, we do 6, positive 6 minus negative 4 is positive 2. Now, we do 2 is 4, 3x. Now, let's divide 3 by 3, cancel that out, x, and 4 by 3. And your answer is 4 over 3. X equals 4 over 3.